The switch flips, code is live, and a spike of real users floods in. Congrats, you launched. But your job didn't end, it just changed hats. Over the next hours and days, you must answer one nerve-wracking question. Is it working? Let's walk through the playbook for monitoring launch metrics and running post-launch evaluation. When we shift focus, I'll simply say, now we'll talk about the next piece. Before launch, wire the cockpit. You can't chase smoke without gauges, so build a launch dashboard the week before go time. Include adoption. How many unique users touch the new feature per hour and per day? North Star lift. Does the feature move your core KPI, retention, revenue, whatever you promised? Performance and error rate, latency, 4x, 5xx spikes, client crashes. Support and sentiment, Zendesk ticket tags, App Store review velocity, social media mentions. Label each metric green, yellow, or red with alert thresholds in Datadog or Amplitude. Set Slack or PagerDuty pings for anything red. Now we'll talk about the first 24 hours camp in a war room, physical or Slack. Ops watches error graphs, PM tracks adoption funnel. Does traffic stay within load test limits? Is activation higher, flat, or lower than baseline? Are detractor tweets piling up about a confusing step? If you launch to 10% of users, decide at the top of each hour, hold, roll back, or expand to the next cohort. Netflix calls this guardrail analysis. A feature graduates only if no metrics breach red lines. Now we'll talk about the first week. Look beyond raw counts. Check cohorts. Do day 1 users return on day 3? Compare NPS survey snippets. Love the instant scan versus feature froze my phone. Tag verbatims, run a quick theme tally, surface the top 2 pain points to the squad stand-up. Minor copy tweak or hotfix can claw back retention before momentum fades. Now we'll talk about the retro 2 weeks in, host a cross-team retrospective. What surprised us? Maybe adoption was 30% lower in Android 12 because of a permissions pop-up. What went well? Rollback rehearsal shaved outage from minutes to seconds. What to change? Update the launch checklist. New step. QA on low RAM devices. Document and share widely. Next launch starts better. Now we'll talk about communicating progress. Daily during rollout, send a 3-bullet Slack or email. Metric snapshot. Adoption 18K users, plus 112% over yesterday. Issues. Elevated crash on Galaxy A series, hotfix shipping tonight. Next step, expand to 50% tomorrow if crash rate 0.3%. Stakeholders stay calm, your inbox stays sane. Case flash, EcoSnap's multi-scan release dashboard showed 5% higher latency, but still green. Adoption climbed to 40% of daily actives in 48 hours. However, Zendesk flagged scan freezes when 3 barcodes overlap. Engineering quick patched the image parser, latency fell, retention ticked up 2 points. Retro captured the lesson, simulate triple barcode photos in QA. Takeaways wire dashboards before launch, red metrics need instant paging, roll out progressively, and promote only when guardrail metrics stay green. Blend quantitative spikes with qualitative feedback to spot hidden friction. Run a candid retro. Update the launch playbook while scars are fresh. Master this loop, and you'll turn every launch into a learning engine, not a leap of faith.